Hello everyone, it's Shamir here from Tech Tech channel, and today with the Black Friday bundle from the AppSumo and build faster 5 AI tools, automation, site building, scheduling, and no codes app. Plus, get an extra 10% of Black Friday. Hurry to limited cost price on increase to 79 once the best sell out, and already 49 bass 1000 quote are sold 1000 quotes are sold out. 59 bass 200 and 2500 quotes already sold out, and now 69 quote are running. Buy now for 1 year access. All the five tools are 1 year access now. From the bolt values 2216 pro plan for 1 year access. Please see this from the 1 year access. Use AI built power platform web apps. Chat with AI built powerful website. You can create your website. You can create this bolt from AI built powerful web apps. Unlimited web and mobile apps. Web hosting database include 10 million monthly bolt AI tokens. Integrated anything via Pica. Hand up size to client, and all schedules are reclaim. Our AI is scheduling for busy people. Unlimited calendar sync. 8 weeks scheduling rank. Unlimited focus time. 3 schedule links and 3 smart meeting. In the hostinger plan, the plan for 1 year access on up to 100 website, free domain for 1 year, 10 GB NVM storage, and 10 mailboxes per website. AI website builder. Get bundle here for hurry to get this 69 to claim your this and hurry. Pick up for say Pica for 600 for value, integrated for any app or agent, 200 plus integration, 250 connection, 25K monthly API requests, integrated your app with Gmail, HubSpot, QuickBook, etc. Tools for LLM and AI framework, building custom AMCP servers, AI agent created for this pickup plan, and the warrior access in Emergent, hands up AI app builder, built web app, mobile app, private project hosting, 100 credits per month, purchase extra as needed, GitHub integration, and fork tax Emergent. And all the five tools are only 69 now. Then in the hosting plan also, this is no worth for this, and 1 year access for the scheduling access and bolt. These all are helpful, and value 1260, but in this offer 69, and get your 10% bonus also get in that Black Friday offer. So Hari, this is a big offer to claim your deals. Thank you.